I'm gonna be showing y'all how to play Fortnite on your school Chromebook or laptop or whatever. Let me just get straight into this. Alright, so first you want to type in, go in your URL bar. You want to type in GForce. You want to type in GeForce now. Hit enter. Some school computers may have this blocked, some might not. You see the ad? Don't click that. You want to click the second link. Click it. Alright. You want to click join today. And you can buy that so you don't have, you can have a limited access for 6 months, but it'll ruin the purpose of the video. But let's go ahead and click on free. Join now. Who wants to pay to play for that? But yeah. After you click that, gotta give me a second. Alright, now, that's my old account, but yeah, I'm gonna use another account, make a new account, but yeah. Yes, sir. I'm just gonna log in with Google. Log in with Google. I post random things at gmail.com. Yes, sir. Then I'm just gonna make up something. Make up some random stuff. Why is it doing this? I'm not even doing nothing but glitching. It's glitching. It's automatic. Don't stay logged in. You gotta agree to terms and conditions, I'm pretty sure. And you gotta click continue to train. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click check, create an account. You wanna go ahead and check those boxes in. And then it says, is this email correct? So, I mean, you gotta go. Hold on. Go to Gmail. I'm gonna go to your Gmail account. I'm just gonna click that email. And then you're gonna put some blah blah whatever stuff. You gotta skip through this, but yeah, don't even worry about this. Got it. This is a new account. Y'all can try to log into this, but whatever. And I verified my email, so I'm gonna go back here to NVIDIA. Let me exit out of this. It's loading. Gotta give it a sec. Yeah, you're gonna go to Chromebook. I click Chromebook. This video is getting pretty long, but yeah, I'm trying to make it as quick as possible because it's a lot of steps. Then you want to go to go to Chromebook right there, and you want to go down and click join today. Join today, then at the top bar. What's going on? Oh, remember, click Chromebook, learn more. My bad. I was on something else. Why is it doing this? Oh, download. Chromebook launch. Yeah, let me exit out these tabs. Agree to continue. Got it. I'm gonna go down to the game you wanna play. It gotta be free, or you can pay for it. Then I'm gonna click Fortnite. I'm gonna click play. You are not logged in. Please log in. Alright, let me log in real quick. I'm logged in. Continue. And then, as you can see, I have to wait. There's 5 people ahead of me. Don't mind that in the background. And you have to wait. Hold on.